Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Cloud Service account access for workloads step by step clearly. Create a Google Cloud Platform project if you haven't already. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Select your project from the drop-down menu at the top. In the left sidebar, go to I am an admin, click on Service Accounts. Click the Create Service Account button. Enter a service account name and description. Click Create and Continue. In the next screen, assign necessary roles to your service account. Click Done after assigning roles. Once created, find the new service account in the list. Click on the three dots at the end of the service account row. Select Manage Keys from the drop-down menu. Click on Add Key and then choose JSON. A JSON key file will download to your computer. Store this file securely, as it contains sensitive information. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Set the environment variable to point to the JSON key file. Use the command export Google_application_credentials /path/ to /your/file.json on macOS or Linux. For Windows, use set Google_application_credentials /c/path/ to /your/file.json. Now, open the application or workload that will utilize the service account. Ensure the workload is configured to use the Google Cloud SDK. Verify that the workload can access the necessary Google Cloud resources. If issues arise, check the IAM permissions assigned to the service account. Test the integration by running a simple workload operation. Monitor the Google Cloud logs for any authentication errors. Adjust roles or permissions as needed based on the errors encountered. Once fully authorized, your service account should seamlessly access Google Cloud services. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Google Cloud Service account access for workloads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.